The first step to getting started with Bootstrap is to add it to each web page. Recall from earlier in this course that Bootstrap provides a CSS file that contains the Bootstrap styles. There are several ways to add that Bootstrap CSS file to our website. One option is to download the CSS file from the Bootstrap site, then include the CSS file in our project just like any other style sheet. Another option is to install Bootstrap using a package manager, such as Node Package Manager or NPM. Using a package manager is beyond the scope of this course. Alternatively, you can link to the Bootstrap CSS file using a CDN, or Content Delivery Network. A CDN is a group of computer servers that provide fast delivery of Internet content, such as the Bootstrap style sheet file. That way, we don't need to include the Bootstrap style sheet as part of our files on our website. This is the recommended approach, so we'll use a CDN in this course. Just like any other CSS file, we add the Bootstrap style sheet to the head element of each HTML file using the HTML link element. We use the href attribute to set the path to the Bootstrap CSS file, either downloaded and included as part of our project files, or with the CDN address. Once we've included the Bootstrap style sheet in our HTML file, we can start using Bootstrap styles in our HTML code. Let's get started with Bootstrap. We are back in VS Code with the Pet Cafe folder open. Let's style our index.html file. Click Explorer to see our list of files. In Explorer, double-click on the index.html file to open it. Then click Explorer again to close it for more space. Click Go Live here in the bottom corner to launch the website in the default browser. I'll rearrange the windows so we can see both the browser and VS Code. Looking at the home page, notice the fonts and the style, or lack thereof, and look at our margins. Now let's add Bootstrap. In the browser, open a new tab and navigate to getbootstrap.com. Scrolling down, we see the option to include the Bootstrap CSS file using the Content Delivery Network, or CDN. Click on the clipboard icon. Done. Note that we won't use the JavaScript file in this course, so we don't need that script. Recall how to link a style sheet to our HTML? In VS Code, in the Head section, after the title element, we'll paste the code we copied from the Bootstrap website. That's it. I'll reformat so it's a bit easier to see. Notice that we are using the minified version of the style sheet. This ensures we download the smaller-sized file from the CDN for a faster load time. By default, Bootstrap provides some basic element styling. To see it, in the browser, click on the Virtual Pet Cafe tab. Notice that the links, heading, and paragraph fonts were changed. And we lost our margins. That's all due to the Bootstrap element styles. Except for the margin issue, this page looks a bit better already. So, without making any other changes, simply adding the Bootstrap style sheet immediately provides some element styling. But Bootstrap can do so much more. Let's start with containers. Next. Don't forget to like and subscribe.